This week on Stubborn Grit.
His wife and he are building a house together. Sweat equity. It's like a marriage workshop. Build the dream. How hard can it be? How long will it take? They don't have a clue. They're doing it themselves. Ignorance is bliss. Will they survive? Will their teenagers thrive? What's wrong with you people? Are they crazy? Maybe. Dream big. Don't quit. Stubborn grit.
So, this is the fun part. All that we've done so far, I think I enjoy this part. Deciding which way the bolts go. And tapping them in. Be pretty straightforward.
We already ran around and finished drilling all the bolt holes in each post using the same technique as before. This helps to catch the drill bit on the way out, so it lines up with the bracket exit holes.
So washer goes on first, then into the hex head. These are grade 5 bolts. Now we'll have to torque these down. I think it's 110 or 120 foot-pounds for each of these. I'll get my torque wrench out. There we go. So we had to make this super difficult decision. Which way to place the bolts? The nut side exposed or the hex head with the washer? For the most part, we've gone with the hex head with the washer as the aesthetic that we're looking for in this luxury facility, this amazing barn house building. So yeah, we're going with the hex head with the washer. Gotta kind of find a rhythm, find the beat.
Just take a step, you'll never know what happens next until you try to take it.
One down.
A million reasons that you might live to regret, but you won't know till you've
Two down.
made it.
Alright, a little crazy. Uh-oh. Might be a little bit off on that one. Ooh, that's not good. I'm gonna need to fix that. You're not supposed to wallow out the holes. It's a technical term, wallow. That one made it through too.
Again, for clarity, no one in our immediate family is a structural engineer, electrician, or a plumber, or even any kind of professional builder for that matter. We're only sharing what we're doing. Hopefully it helps someone. It's my understanding that our interior brackets, which are only bolted to the foundation, can't resist being pushed over in a meaningful way. They're more like hinges, and then if the post starts to tilt over, the bolts pull out. So yeah, these interior brackets are pinned connections versus our perimeter brackets, which we wet set into the concrete. They're considered moment-resisting semi-rigid connections. In other words, they can resist being pushed over a whole lot better than our bolted-down connections. Anyway, a lot of math can go into a particular structural design, and context matters. Thankfully, most hardware and materials have load tables, and even building codes include prescriptive load tables as a starting point.
Don't use this. That one's pretty good. Oh, that's good. It's close. It was right there on the edge. Ideally, you do it straight. That was perfect. These are 16-foot posts. Southern yellow pine. It's not like that light spruce pine fir. These are heavy. We got one more to do. This is second to last post. So this is the fun part. All that we've done so far, I think I enjoy this part. That's the last post, or second to last post. This will be our last post, the corner post. You could build each bent one by one, or you could build corners individually. We kind of built it bents in the back and worked our way forward. And we're gonna put our post in right here, and hopefully it all works out based on our guesstimations.
Fears you have are nothing but inside your head. So darling, don't you listen.
Now we're getting ready to raise our final 16-foot post. We're thinking we're going to return to the tractor for this. I'm pulling out a couple 2x6 braces for the post. Hopefully we'll be able to repurpose these 2x6 braces for our perimeter wall framing.
So this will be a side brace over here. Okay, then we'll do something like this. Probably be further back. All right, then we'll need the drill. Oops. And now we're looking for those screws that were in my tool belt. So we'll put the post on here, on this little platform. Use the edge of the slab to stop it from sliding through. And then we're going to use my tractor contraption to try to lift it up. We'll use this as a guide rope. Now before we were using these 2x4 arms sticking out to catch it, to keep it from going left or right, but this time I think we're going to try just putting a brace on it after we get it up a little bit. Now we're driving back to the house, get the tractor.
Since this was our last post, we didn't want to take the time to build a platform for the scaffolding to roll off the foundation so that we could use the winch to just lift the post safely. But by now, I'm thinking we should have enough experience and newfound confidence to just use our tractor and get it done a lot faster, or so we thought. With the longer post, I'm having a bit of trouble getting up underneath it with our flexible 2x4 arms, and it keeps sliding down too far. So now I'm adding a duplex nail to try and catch the 2x4s on the way up.
Suddenly, she passes right in front of me. Suddenly, feels like I'm gonna fall. I can see all of my dreams so perfectly. Suddenly, love's not a dream at all. Somebody better come quick and rescue me. Sanity, when did it wander off?
After all that, I'm thinking it took us more time to raise this last post with the tractor than just building a platform and using the winch. The tortoise and hare fable comes to mind. It also would have been easier to add the second brace from down low.
Okay, just gotta brace it off and we're good.
And that's the end of the posts going up. The final day of placing those posts. We have the tops of the posts bowing out on the perimeter. Interior posts are going different directions depending on which way I think I can rack it all in. So today was an easy day. We just drilled the holes in the bottoms of the posts and we set that last post. Feeling pretty good right now. Now I have to go to work.